Hello. In this video, I will make a schedule action through code, and we will check how it is working. Okay. So I created a module called schedule action demo. In this, we have a manifest file, just given dependencies to sale module. Then I added a data file. Okay. Init file is calling models. In data file, we have a cron. In this file, we are defining a schedule action. Okay, schedule action you have to define like this. Okay, you should mention a id, then model name always be ir.cron. Then you should have to mention a name. You can mention whatever name you want. Okay, then you have to mention which model you are going to apply this scheduled action. Here in the example, I am using sale order model, so I mention sale order. Then you have to mention code. Then you have to, in the code you have to call a particular function. So I mentioned this function. Then active. If you want the schedule action to be active, then you have to make here true. Otherwise, you can make it false. Okay. User you have to mention base dot user wrote. Interval number you can mention. In this one, I mentioned one. Okay. Days you can mention, and number of calls you can mention. Okay. So this is the format for defining a schedule action. Once you upgraded the module, a schedule action will be created in the system. Okay, let's check. Go to apps. Okay, so before that in the model, I have init file and sale.py. Init file, I am calling the sale file. Sale file, I just mentioned the function specified in the function specified in the cron file. Okay, it will be the same. Control see this function is calling. I'm defining this function here. I just made a print statement only. Okay, uh, based on your logic you can define whatever things you want to achieve in using this scheduled action. Okay, let me go to install this one. Go to here. I'm typing my module name, schedule demo. I'm installing it one. Okay, after installing, you can go to settings, activate developer mode, then go to settings, technical, schedule actions. You can see one action is create schedule action test scheduled action. This is the name we are given. Okay, basically it will be first we given active equal to false. That's why it's not active. Okay, so it's created and it's calling the function we specified. Okay, if you run this, you can configure, you can make it active and give the execution date, number of calls, etc. Then if you click, if you want to test it is working or not, just run manually. So in the terminal you will get, see that printout calling schedule action. So this is how you have to create, this is how creating schedule action from code. Hope you understood. If you have any questions or comments, put in the comment box. Thank you.